Hello there, let's talk today about this set of pliers I got from Amazon. They are from WORKPRO. They're pretty good to use at home, for example, at your office or things like that. As you can see here, the first one, pretty good. You see here you can adjust and have more leverage. And let's say, for example, you're going to use like this. You can use the way and it works, okay? Or you can change it and it still works like this. Pretty good. Here you see that there's a good grip. There's a rubber here. The grip is good enough so you can work. And I've been using this for a while. You see some scratches, some wear marks. And they work. They're good enough for office, for home. Here you have the cutter. It works pretty good. You can cut stuff. Let's say I'm gonna cut this one, for example. Of course, it's just a piece of plastic, right? So you can cut. Works pretty good. And just cut something else here. This one, for example. See, cut because it's plastic. Okay, I'm also cut wires with this one. See some wearing marks as well, but not damage at all. It's good enough. And then I have this other one here. You have this adjust. It works pretty fine as well. You see, I have a large one here. If I use something like this, I have a big leverage. It works pretty fine as well. One more. Also, it's like a version of this one, but it's smaller. Works pretty fine as well. Have the adjustment here. You can use it. Pretty good, pretty fine. This one, when you need to reach something, you can reach with this one. Say, for example, like this, and it's good. Then you have the universal one. This one, you can even cut what I do sometimes, right? I cut some screws, for example, and you can see here there's some wearing marks, but no damage. It's just wearing marks. Let me just show you here a screw like this. I can just put it here. I need to really press it. Like this, cuts, right? It's not like a professional one when you compare it to this one, for example, right? That's bigger. You see the comparison here, but it's enough. You see, it can cut and still works, no damage. And I've been cutting with this one. Of course, this one you can cut easily because you have more leverage. It's bigger, okay? But this is a professional one. You take to the field, but still I doing almost the same type of force that I'm applying here to cut this one. It still works, still cuts this screw.